Hello, this is Scott Dorn with Spectrum Industries. What you're looking at here is our Control Duo. It is a production control room piece of furniture designed as a 2-turret or a 3-turret system. It is a configurable product, so you can actually order it with no turrets, 1 turret and a work surface, or the 2 turrets as you're seeing right here. The turrets are adjustable, so there's 4 different settings, so you could actually have it at the angle that you prefer, from perfectly vertical to the 3 additional angles, and 2 of those you can see right here. One of the features that really separates this product is the wire management channel on the back, and Adam's going to demonstrate the wire management access. So for setup and security, and also being able to quickly access and troubleshoot, it gives you complete access to the back of the equipment. So if you do need to check a connection or run cabling from one station to the next, or out to the wall or out to the floor, it gives you terrific access and visibility. Once it's on there, it's held in place just magnetically, so it's able to keep it enclosed. As you look down at the product, you'll notice that it's available on casters. This allows for quick and easy access. If you do need to access the back, it also makes it a highly flexible piece of furniture for a control room setting. So if you move into an event space, you can slide this out to be closer to those content creators and or that event that's taking place. This product and all the rest of our fantastic products are available at www.spectrumfurniture.com.